showing you guys how to make this melted snowman frog. Here are the items you guys are gonna need. A pillow, a bucket or a box, a sheet, another sheet, a white blanket or a fake snow sheet, a scarf, some rock, a carrot, some sticks for the arms, and a hat. Now let's get this craft started. Our melted snowman. Pretty easy to make and pretty fun to have. Tonight we're going to be putting him out in our front yard and see how the neighbors react. If you like this video and you like the snowman, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to see the melted snowman ornaments we made, check out our creative playlist. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.